We've all been there. An unexpected bill lands in your inbox, a surprise expense pops up, and your payday just can't come soon enough. In these moments, you might consider a pay advance service like Beforepay. But the big question is, how much does it actually cost? The answer is surprisingly simple, a fixed 5% fee. That's it. There's no interest, no hidden charges, and no late fees. Beforepay is free to download and use for budgeting and spending insights. The only time you pay is when you get a pay advance. Let's break down what that 5% fee looks like in real numbers. If you take out a $100 advance, the fee is a flat $5, so you pay back a total of $105. If you need a larger amount, say $500, the fee is $25, and your total repayment is $525. The cost is always a fixed percentage of the amount you borrow, making it very transparent. A common question is whether you can have a subscription to use the service. The answer is no. Beforepay doesn't operate on a subscription model. You only pay the 5% transaction fee when you cash out a pay advance. If you're not using the pay advance feature, you can still use the app's free budgeting and spending insights tools to stay on top of your finances. So, how does Beforepay compare to other options? Well, it's designed to be a transparent and ethical alternative to other types of short-term loans. Unlike a traditional payday loan, which can come with high establishment fees and steep interest, Beforepay has a straightforward and consistent fee structure. The app also makes repayment easy. It automatically deducts the amount you borrowed, plus the 5% fee, on your next payday. And if something comes up, you have flexible repayment options, including the ability to repay early or delay a payment. The 5% fee is a one-off charge per advance. You can't take out another advance until the first one is paid off. This one loan at a time rule is designed to prevent debt traps and help you stay in control of your money. Ultimately, the cost of using Beforepay is a fixed 5% on the amount you borrow, with no interest or late fees. This upfront and transparent pricing is a key feature of the service. It's designed to provide a quick, short-term solution for those times when you need a little extra cash to get by, without the surprise fees or mounting interest of other lending options.